Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another powerful boom and crash strategy. Okay, so with this strategy, you'll be able to grow your small account from a $20, $30 or $40. With this strategy, you are going to be able to grow that account, okay, without blowing it. Okay, so if you are going to follow every step or every conditions I'm going to be showing you in this video, you are sure to make it with any account size. Okay, from $20 above, you are sure to grow that account with this strategy. Okay, so this strategy might look messy, might look very messy, but if you understand it, you will see that it's a very powerful strategy. Okay, so just make sure you stick to this video till the end and don't skip any part. Okay, now before we go into how the strategy work, I want you all to do me a favor and go hit that subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, and then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay, if you are getting value from it. Okay, now with that out of the way, let's go to the topic of the day, how this strategy works. Okay, now as you can see right here, there is an order block right here. Okay, you can see this support and resistance zone I draw from the higher time frame over here. Okay, and then here on the indicator window, you can see that this black line has gotten to the 90 level, and the red also, they are all at the 90 level. Okay, now how does the strategy work? Okay, I'm going to be explaining based on the indicator window. Okay, based on the indicator here. So what you need to observe, okay, is to first of all, you allow this black moving average 10 to get to the 90 level. Okay, as you can see guys, we are on crash 500. Okay, so we are going to be catching spike. Okay, so on this strategy, with this strategy guys, we are going to be only catching spike. Okay, we are not trading against the regular against spike. Okay, we are only catching spike with this strategy. Okay, now you need to allow your black to get to the overbought level here, which is the 90 level. Also the red line here is going to be on the 90 level too. Okay, they are both going to be touching the 90 level. Now when that is being observed, okay, if you have observed that the line is touching the 90 level, now the next thing you do is to, you can see here on the main chart, you can see this black line here, then you can see price. Okay, you are going to wait for price to cross below. Okay, you wait for spike. Okay, spike is going to come and break below this our black line here on the main chart. Okay, it's going to break below this black line. So once you see it breaking below, okay, once you see spike and it's broke below this, okay, that is trying to show you that price has broken below this support and resistance zone. Okay, this black line is serving as your support and resistance zone. Okay, so you wait for price to break below it, and also on the indicator window, you are going to see that this red line here has broken below the black line. Okay, it's going to show you that, but this is the one you are going to be waiting for. Okay, don't follow the indicator on, just follow the main charts on. Okay, once you see that price break below it, then that is when you are going in for your sell. Okay, so once you go in for the sell, now for your TP, okay, you don't need to be greedy. Okay, this is where the indicator window is important. You don't need to be greedy. The indicator window is going to be telling you when to exit the market. Okay, because sometimes whenever it breaks below it, it's going to come down a little bit. Okay, then it's going to just come down and then go back in loss. Okay, so in order to avoid that and always make and always be making profit, is to follow the indicator. Okay, now once it broke below it, okay, the first spike will come. You are going to see that it hasn't gotten to the oversold level, which is the 10 level here. It hasn't gotten to this level. Okay, there was a spike, it went down and it still went up. There was another spike again, but it's not touching it. Then you can see that there was another spike. Okay, this is the one that is touching the 10 level. Okay, so that is where you are going to close. Okay, this spike right here, sorry, this spike, this one right here is the one that touch the 90 level. Okay, so you close here. Okay, you close there. You are going to close there. Okay, that is if you are using a small account, let's say a $20 account. Okay, you make sure you follow this red line as your TP line. Okay, whenever it gets to the 10 level or the 90 level, you close. Okay, but if you are having, let's say, a $100 account, okay, you have a large equity, so you follow the black line. Okay, whenever it gets to the 10 level, that's when you will close. Okay, so this one right here, you can see price came down, and you can see that the black line touch and the red line is touching too. Okay, so that is how to exit the market. Okay, if you are having a small account, use the red line, and if you are having, let's say, a $100 account, use the black line as your TP level. Okay, now you know how to enter and you know how to exit the market. Okay, that is based on the indicator. I did not make mention of this red line here yet. Okay, this red line here you are seeing is based on price action. Okay, it's based on price action. It's going to help you get a better confirmation of what the market is doing, and you are going to have confidence. You are going to be sure of what you are doing. Okay, you will not be scared. Okay, so now how would you know how would I put this? Now what you do concerning the red line, okay, that is your analysis before taking an entry. You are going to go to the higher time frame in order to do that. Okay, but we are coming back to that. Okay, we are not yet that. Let me show you another example using the indicator. Okay, now you can see here I draw a trend line here, but that is not part of the thing. Now we are only catching spike. So this is another example, guys. This is another example. We should be based on the indicator. First of all, you can see the black line is touching the 10 level, sorry, the 90 level. There was a spike, it broke through our black line. Okay, you place your entry here, and then you maybe place your stop loss below that spike. Okay, and then you wait for the next spike. There was another spike here. This is it. It didn't touch the 90 level, the 10 level, sorry. And then there was another spike again. This was the one that touched your 10 level. Okay, so you have to close here if you're having a $20 account. And then if you're not having a $20 account, let's say $100, you are going to hold your stop loss is at this level right here. Okay, so you are still holding, and then you can see eventually got to the 10 level, which is the black line. It got to the 10 level, and then you close. Okay, so that is how simple it is. Okay, you can see that the strategy is messy if you don't understand it, but if you understand it, it's a very powerful strategy, guys. It's a very powerful strategy. And then here is another example. You wait, it got to the 10 level, the 90 level. There was a spike. You enter from this place, stop loss here. You wait for another spike. Okay, you can see that this spike, it came once, like it was like continuously somehow. Okay, it just came before you know another one came, something like that. So maybe you missed this entry. Okay, but don't worry, there's another opportunity for you. You can see price has gotten to the 90 level here. So you wait for spike to cross the black line. It crossed here, and then stop loss here, your entry here. You wait for it to touch the red line, to touch the 90 level, the 10 level. It touched, and then you can see that is for the $20 account. Then for $100 account, you wait for the black line to touch here. You can see it all went well. So guys, this is a very powerful strategy. This is a very powerful strategy. Now you can see this is happening live. Okay, this is happening live. What I need to do now is to wait for spike to cross below this black line. Then I will take my entry from this place now. Okay, I don't know if we can wait for that, but I don't have time. I don't want this video to be very long, so maybe I'll show you guys in another video. Okay, so that is how it is, guys. That is how it is. So let me show you how to do the analysis. Okay, now you can see my analysis here in the past. Okay, you can see analysis. So guys, if you want to learn how to do your price action analysis, okay, if you want to be a pro on it, I have a video course for that, okay, which I'm giving out for a little token of money. Okay, so if you want to know everything about that, just check the description of this video below. You're going to get everything you need to know about how to draw your price action. Everything you need to know about price action is in that video course. Okay, from the beginners level to the advanced level to the pro level, guys. Okay, so everything you need to know is in that video course. So if you are interested, you just hit me up. Okay, I'm going to drop my contact, my WhatsApp contact in the description of this video below. So if you are interested, you get my contact from there and then you hit me up. Okay, so that is it for this video. Let me just share with you guys the setting of this strategy. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very, very powerful. It's a VIP strategy, but I'll be giving it out for free. Okay, so the first indicator here is the moving average. The period is 1. Okay, this one doesn't have any use, but the reason why I added it is because without it I cannot add the second one. Okay, I will show you why that is. So the period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. Under the style we have 1 pixel, the color is white. Okay, it doesn't have any use. Okay, so because the reason why I added it is because if I don't add it, I will not be able to add the second one, which is this one. Okay, the period is 35, shift 0, method simple. Okay, the apply to is previous indicators data. Okay, so this is the reason why I added the first moving average, because if I don't add it, I will not be able to get these previous indicators data. Okay, it will not show. There will be nothing like previous indicators data here. Okay, there will be nothing like previous indicators data here. It will not show. Okay, that's the reason why I added that first moving average. Okay, so you can see under the style we have 3 pixels, the color is black, and that is that. And then now for our indicator window 1, first of all you add the stochastic oscillator, which is this one. Click on it. These are the settings. So you can see, pause the video or you take a screenshot. Okay, you can see. So this is the level, then 90. Then after that you click on done. Then after the stochastic you add your moving average. Yeah, the period is 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Then under the style we have 4 pixels, the color is black, and that is all, guys. That is all. After that you click on done and then you go back. Okay, so you can see for yourself how this is going. All I'm waiting for now is just this crossing to happen, and then I'll go in for my sell. Okay, I'm using this strategy only to catch spike. Okay, let me check my other trades that I'm waiting for. Okay, on this one I'm waiting for price to go down to this level, and then I'll look for my buy entry from the 1 minute time frame. Okay, after it spike and cross the black level, and then on crash 1000, you can see price is currently going up, and I don't want to trade against spike, so I will wait for it to either go to this level here and then go back to my 1 minute time frame and look for my entry from that place. And then on 500, this is what I'm currently waiting for. So I missed this entry. I missed it when it was at this level. So now what I'm waiting for is to allow it to go back here, and then I'll go back to my 1 minute time frame and wait for the crossing to happen. Okay, then I'm going for my buy above again. Okay, if it doesn't work there, I'll wait for it to come down to this red line, then I'll look for my buy entry, and if it doesn't work, I'll wait for it to come down. So guys, that is how this thing is. Okay, there's no magic to it. You just need to be determined and be serious about learning. So if you learn this thing and you have a better understanding of what the market is doing, I promise you can see, guys, you can see this is the crossing. Let me take my sell before it spike again and I'll miss it. Okay, that's it, guys. Before you say anything, okay, this is a demo account. I'm using it to practice. Okay, before practice with it before I trade with my real account. Okay, so this is what you too should be doing. Okay, as you can see, this account was 15 but it's now at 36. Okay, I've been using it to practice with it. So guys, you can see it just spike. Now we are in profit. Okay, now we are in profit. So that is it, guys. You can see this is a very powerful strategy. You can see I'm currently using this red line as my TP because the account is not yet big. So that's what I also told you to do. So if you follow everything I'm doing with this strategy, you are sure to make money, guys. You are sure to make money in the future. So that is all I have for you. Okay, that is all I have for you. Take it and make money, guys. Take it and make money. So see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, don't forget to do that. Make sure you hit the like button, okay, to show your appreciation. So bless you all. Silver out.